Swimming pool maintenance and repairs, Sydney, New South Wales. Servicing the Hills District and surrounds, this is one of the longest running pool maintenance businesses in Sydney. With plenty of work via word of mouth and hours to suit you, this is a fantastic opportunity. The business offers pool maintenance, water balancing, pool equipment repairs, plus new sales and installation. Established for over 50 years, this mobile operation can be run from anywhere in the area. The sale includes a 2017 Mazda BT50 ute with custom tray, some stock, parts and tools. There are over 45 regular clients booked weekly, fortnightly and monthly, plus real estate work. Bookings peak during the summer months, but there are still regular pool cleaning jobs during winter. With many thousands of private pools in the district, the potential is there to hire staff and grow this proven business.